Hello everybody. Today I'm going to do a quick video on a 2002 Chevy Tahoe with a Dynomax exhaust. Alright, so this vehicle has 144,000 miles on it. It's a 2002 Chevy Tahoe. And the Dynomax exhaust is approximately 6 months old. Been very happy with it so far. I'm going to say it was about 260 bucks for a catback complete system. It's very easy to install. And the exhaust I had prior to this was a Flowmaster exhaust that was welded in by a shop, and the muffler only lasted about 3 years before it started to rust out, and the pipes from the back end of the muffler started to rust out too. So I decided to go with this catback system, and it's been working really well. I'll just give you an idea of what the sound is inside. Close the door. There's no drone in the highway. I also have a cold air induction system, which adds to the sound level a little bit. But overall, I'm very, very happy with the Dynomax exhaust for sound and quality. And if you're thinking about getting one for your Tahoe, I highly recommend it. I'm not being paid to say that. Just wanted to post a video because I'm happy about it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below and I'll try to answer them. Thanks.